Welcome to pCloudy, your continuous testing cloud solution. In this video, we will learn how to use the Wildnet feature on the pCloudy desktop assistant. Before we go ahead, please ensure that you have the PDA application installed on your computer. If not, you can follow the link to the documentation page for the installation instructions and watch this video once the installation is complete. Before we launch the pCloudy desktop assistant on your computer, please keep the authentication details handy. These include your registered email address, access key, the cloud URL, and the ADB path. Once you have the authentication details handy, you can start the PDA application, enter the required details, and click on the arrow button. On the next screen, you will see Wildnet, Android Tunnel, and iOS Tunnel. Choose the Wildnet option and click on the Activate button below. You will see an activation confirmation message on the log screen. You can then log in to the pCloudy platform and connect to any available devices from the Devices section. Once you have successfully connected to a device, click on the Enable Wildnet icon to initialize Wildnet on the device. You will see a success message on the bottom of the screen once it is enabled. You can then simply open a browser from the device and start testing your local site. Now, to activate Wildnet on devices from different clouds, you can simply connect to one of the devices from a different location on the platform. Once the connection is established, you can enable the Wildnet option on the device, open a browser, and start testing your local site. After you have finished using the PDA, you can simply click on the Deactivate button and close the application. For detailed instructions on using Wildnet on the PDA, please access the documentation page using the links mentioned in the description box.